Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer PayPal money to Capitec Bank, and this is actually very easy. So it can't be done directly. You need an FNB account for that. So basically at first head over to fnb.co.za and then click on registration and register, and then you want to register for PayPal for non-FNB customer, and if it's your business or personal, depending on that, choose the account type. Enter your personal business details including tax info and source of funds, and then create like your login shell and then create your login credentials and everything and agree. After that, what you're going to do is head over to the FNB online banking and then go to my bank accounts and then PayPal services, and then link your PayPal profile and everything, like enter the email ID number and everything, and then input your Capitec account details and then confirm your address. After that, it's going to ask you for your verification into your PayPal, so make sure you log into PayPal to check everything. After that, what you're going to do to transfer the money, finally head over to your bank account like FNB bank account and then click on my bank accounts and then choose PayPal services. From there, you're going to select withdraw from PayPal and then enter how much you want to withdraw and then your Capitec account details, and then review everything and finally click send, and it should be done from like 3 to 6 days. And there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.